Hey guys, just a little quickie. Hope everything's going well. I'm going to be showing you guys how to install some fiberglass batting insulation inside of a wall right up here. I've done a lot of it, so I'm just going to show you quickly how to do this piece here. I have the tools that are laid out in front of me. You're going to want a mask or some type of respirator to protect yourself from this fiberglass dust. You're going to want long sleeves. I'm not wearing long sleeves because it just for this small piece that I'm showing you, but it'll make you really itchy if you don't, and gloves. You're going to want measuring tape and a knife to cut this batting. You're going to want an American-made stapler and hammer to secure it to the wall. So while I'm putting this stuff on, I'll talk just a little bit about R value and what that means. So R value is the resistance to the change in temperature. So if you see here, this is R19. I don't know if it says somewhere here. Right there. So this is an R19. What that is it's resistant to change in temperature. The higher the number, the greater it's resistant to change in temperature, whether it's being, an ice box or it's being, a sauna. It's resisting the change in temperature, and that'll save you in money. And so there's different types of insulation, and for that type of insulation, the higher the R value, the thicker it's going to be. So they make foam insulation, they make foam board insulation, they make this batting, they make cellulose. All of them are going to have different R values per their thickness, and some are going to be higher R values for smaller thickness than something like this. So I'm going to put my mask on, and I'm just going to show you quickly how you do it. So when you grit this fiberglass, you're going to put it up against the opening that you have, and you're going to roughly just take it down to the ground, and you're going to use the knife to cut it along where you grabbed it. And then you're going to take it back up, and if you have something like this that's in the way, or a pipe, you can just cut a little slit along the fiberglass, and that'll just help it seat better inside of this cavity here. So I'm not going to be talking because I'm going to be wearing my respirator, so it'll be hard to hear. I might mumble, but let's dive into it. Oh boy. Alright. So I'm not going to be using the measuring tape. I'm just going to be using my knife here and the batting. You could measure this out, but it's a little faster. You just put this up, and I might be able to just tuck that in there. So for this one, I'm going to just put it at the top and go down to here. So then I know to cut right here. I'm going to push hard, if you can see it, and just cut like this. Oops. Trying to do it up above. So you see how if you push hard, you can just cut right in? So now I have this piece here. It's going to go up in there. And then that wire is going to go in there. I'll put it around. I'll just make a little cut here. And then I'm going to take my stapler and hammer. American made or it won't work. I'm going to put this in here. Press this down into the corner. So you don't want air gaps, so if you have little pockets all around, you're going to want to rip some off of the roll and stuff it inside any of these areas. Because any little openings are going to cause little air pockets, you could say, of hot or cold air. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and it wasn't too long, but you're gonna need staples, a knife, measuring tape possibly, and something like that to secure the insulation to the wall. If you guys have any questions, just leave them down below. Thanks guys, have a good one.